Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get notified about unwanted program is going to install during installation in Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as Unwanted. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see your download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to run this software installer. Click on install. So finally the installation has been completed and click on finish. Now you can see the software icon. Just double click on it. Now you can see the options you are gonna get inside this software. So the first option is home. So you can see some information here and you can click on the settings and here are some options. Don't display the notification area. You can check out by yourself or you can click on this advanced settings also to disable automatic or don't use host files also. So these are the options you will get inside the setting, and last one is about the application. So right now you can see the application service has already been started. As you can see, service up and running. So now just close or minimize it. And now let me try to install one software or program. So I will install this one software name is Compleer. Just double click on it. Click on OK. Click on next. Click on I agree. Click on next. Now click on next. Now you can see here once I place the mouse cursor on this accept, as you can see warning from Unwanted. By clicking this you may install a program you did not intend. That means you can see here additional software already mentioned. So this is not the actual software which I'm gonna install. This is just additional software which is going to be installed once I click on this accept. So after seeing this warning you can easily decline it. And now you can see the final installation has started. So the software which you want to install will only get installed without installing the unwanted program. So by using this application named as Unwanted, you will get notified about unwanted program is going to install during installation in Windows PC. So if you never known about this cool software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.